What's happening, people? Today we are going, okay, so today is basically a custom build. So I'm gonna be building something special for my sister, innit? She wants something that holds the camera below this frame so that she can film her doing her work and stuff. And as you can see, she's into fashion and stuff, innit? She's creating stuff. So this is the plan. So this is basically this thingy here. Wait, can you see? Yeah, that thingy there. And then pretty much that is that. I'm gonna have two pieces of wood that goes there, pencil that goes through. I'm gonna make a box to hold the phone. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, this is the final product. It's just something so that, can I have your phone quickly? The purpose of this is literally to put your phone there so that you can get a good angle of what you're doing straight down here. So you don't have to buy anything custom. So I just built this for my sister. And literally, it's going to be held together by a clamp that saves me drilling through and possibly damaging the bed frame. So that's it. Safe people.